This is a brand new 2015 Acura MDX. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and a six-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a voice-activated navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, voice activation technology, a sunroof, a premium audio system, satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, cruise control, the AcuraLink satellite communication system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, dual power seats, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.